everyone. Today I wanted to make an official invitation to Powering a SOC with Wazuh training. This is a training, a course guided by Sebastian Gonzalez Oyuela, which is Atricore's CTO, and you're going to explore the integration between Wazuh SIEM, TheHive, MISP, and Cortex, all open source tools. It's going to take place on August 26th to 28th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and it has a cost of $825 or $800 per person for group enrollments. Now, if you want to register, you just got to go to atricore.com, click on How We Help, click on Training Security Operations Center. You're going to be redirected to this page. Click on Register Now, fill this form, and make your payment. Now, if you have gotten to this point of the video, I'm going to provide you with a discount code. It's Camila124, and you're going to email hello@atricore.com and inform them that you want to participate and get this discount. So I hope to see you all there, guys. Thank you.